Yo, what is going on? It is your boy Darius, and we are back with another video and an update on the TT. As y'all can see, oh man, it's been a while, and to be honest with you, that's just due to the fact of a bunch of things going on in my life, trying to get some things done and organized and situated, etc, etc. But bros, we got some good news. We got some good news for this one, and I'm gonna walk y'all through a little bit as to what we got done, right? So for starters, we got it to start. So that's definitely a plus. We got the car to start. Okay, so let me tell y'all what the issue was. So, I'm sorry I didn't film it. Just want to say that from right now. Kind of was a little bit busy. Did this in a day where I didn't really have time to record, but just wanted to knock it out. But this right here, friends, was the reason why it wasn't starting. Now, I can't say that that was the only reason why, right? Because there was a lot of other things that came about as well. Like for starters, the fuel pump. The fuel pump itself wasn't turning on either way, which could have been done to the crank position sensor. However, the fuel gauge was also not working, so that needed to be replaced anyway. And then finally, I replaced both the cam and the crankshaft position sensor. When I replaced the crankshaft position sensor, the camshaft position sensor, the car still didn't start. So then I replaced the crankshaft position sensor, and boom, there goes the problem. So we have finally figured it out. Sorry, like I said, I didn't wait for y'all, but I was too excited, wanted to try it, and in all honesty, it worked. Let me just turn this light on over here. Right? So I got some little things to put back into place. I need to put coolant in. But the other issue that we have is that the downpipe, I don't know if y'all can see, but the downpipe is cut. So unfortunately, although the car does start and run, it is extremely loud. The O2 sensors aren't connected. Now, good news is, let me open this up. We actually already solved part of the problem. So I have the downpipe to put in, as well as I have the gaskets to go with it. I believe there are bolts that are still on the downpipe. However, your boy just have to go and figure out if that is the case, and then pull them off, drop the new downpipe in, which should be relatively easy. Hopefully that gets us back and going on the road, and that should be pretty much it, bros. So without further ado, I'm gonna get myself ready, put on some gloves, put some things in order, and then we gonna get started. All right,
a few moments later.
All right, we are back finally. Got my light plugged in, got my light at the bottom. So for those that don't know about where this is located, the crankshaft position sensor, it is actually located, I don't know if how well y'all can see, but where the clip connects to the wire harness is right here, and it travels all the way down next to the oil filter. So I actually had to get it from underneath, pull the, let me give y'all a quick look. I actually had to pull this pipe in that runs to the two intercoolers, and I was able to therefore reach from there. After reaching up in there, took off the oil filter because I had to replace it anyways, and gave me some better leverage to reach, and boom, bada bing, bada boom, we got it out. 1, 2. So what I want to do today is put these stuff back, get this all lined up back the way it's supposed to be, and then need to put some coolant in the car. But I want to be able to actually burp the system. So what I am going to do is just take this piping off, take this stuff off. I might have to take this off depending on what kind of room I have. But I just want to reach back there and just get started on trying to get this downpipe out and getting the new one in, as well as, you know, just ensuring that everything runs pretty smooth. We got the bolts we need, then we should be Gucci. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna get started, and as soon as I am finished, I will turn back on the camera and I can see the rest of it. But this is the car as it stands, bros. Soon. Oh, we got just a little bit more time left. All right, so I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Yo, bros, so just was taking a look at the car, and let me just show y'all where I'm at right now. So I cleaned up the front, took off this intercooler piping on the side here, took that all off all the way to the back, took off the bracket just to there, and I don't know if y'all can see it from here. I don't think you can. However, when I run my hand back here like this, I can feel that the downpipe is disconnected. Now the good news is that it feels as though the downpipe just disconnected, as in it broke off here. Now, two things I'm guessing is, one, why did it break? But whatever the case is, it broke off. So what I need to do now is disconnect this sensor here at the base right here. That I'm pretty sure y'all can see. And then also I need to then take off the bolts from the downpipe itself. Now, the good news is I don't gotta replace no bolts. There might even be a gasket there, so I may have not even needed to buy a gasket, but I got one anyways. But I'm gonna tackle that right now. And then I'll keep y'all updated. All right, bros. So it's confirmed the downpipe just kind of snapped at the top here on this downpipe. So good news is I don't have to really replace the bolts. I am gonna clean them up though. But you can see we got 3 bolts in the corner here. And I didn't get the downpipe out yet. I was hoping it will come out just without having to drop anything. What I am expecting to have to drop is the subframe potentially, and I might have to lower the steering rack. So took the wheels off in prep for that, which you can see them over here, and just working on finishing up that. However, I am done for the day. And that's all I got for today in terms of what I wanted to get done and accomplished. Just wanted to make sure that I had all of the bolts, so I didn't have to pick up new bolts. I did have new gaskets, so that wasn't an issue. Also wanted to see where it broke from, if it was cut off or if it actually broke. I'm happy to see that it broke because that means it wasn't tampered with. So right now where we stand is need to put some coolant in it, need to replace the downpipe, and then that should be good. I think when I had started, I actually saw that the ABS light was on, but I figured I'll address that later. But so far we doing pretty good, bros. But so far we are doing pretty good. So I'm a little excited to make sure I get this done and out the way. However, today is not that day. I will definitely catch y'all back up on the weekend when I have a little bit more time and I can kind of focus on dropping everything I need to drop and just pulling things away. But for right now, I'm just gonna clean up, straighten up a little bit, figure out where I'm gonna put those wheels, and yeah, we're gonna keep this project going. I can't wait. It just looks so good. Wait till I clean this up and get it on the road, fix some of the door stuff, put back the door card. Oh, it's going to be lit, bros. I'm excited. For those that are new and are just watching, this car kind of came in one of those good prices, I can say the least. It wasn't running when we first got it. Went through a bunch of stuff, got it up and good. I do want to eventually change the timing belt as well as the water pump. However, just want to make sure everything runs good, the motor is strong, and clean it up a little bit, and then we can kind of go from there. But so far so good, bros. We're almost there. We are almost there. So without further ado, I'm just gonna end this one just like this, and we're gonna catch up on the next one. We pull out the downpipe. But I will definitely see y'all again. I'm excited to get this on the road. I'm sorry I didn't record it running. However, two things. One, I didn't want it to be hot when I actually worked on it. And two, it ain't got no cooler in it, so I didn't want to leave it running too long. So I'm gonna change the downpipes on the back, put everything up, and we're gonna get it going. Alright, so that's all I got for this one. Thank y'all for watching. If you like what I got going on, please like, subscribe, follow all the social medias that's down below. You'll see them over here as well. And I will catch y'all on the next one. Peace.